Let's start with the elephant in the room, the stunning exterior changes. Forget the safe, somewhat rounded look of the current generation. The front end? Completely redesigned with a more upright, chiseled grille, sharp C-shaped LED headlights, and a wider, more aggressive stance that makes the 2026 model look closer to an off-road beast than a mall crawler. The hood lines are crisper. The fenders flared with attitude, and from certain angles, it almost borrows a bit from the new Land Cruiser's rugged DNA. Around back, the RAV4 gets slimmer, wraparound taillights, a sportier rear spoiler, and a chunkier rear bumper that makes it look ready to tackle both urban jungles and mountain trails. And let's talk about wheels. Toyota offers new 18 and 20-inch wheel designs, including striking two-tone alloys that absolutely pop against the fresh color palette. Think solar flare orange, deep sea blue, and a stealthy gunmetal gray. Moving down the side, we see more of that angular design language. The body lines are more pronounced, giving the RAV4 a more muscular and athletic stance. The wheel arches are also wider and more sculpted, hinting at potentially larger wheel sizes and maybe even a slightly wider track. And speaking of wheels, the alloy wheel designs we've seen in the leaked renders are absolutely killer, a mix of sporty and sophisticated. Under the hood, the base engine is now a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, cranking out an estimated 265 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, a serious bump over the outgoing model. But that's not all. Toyota is doubling down on hybrid tech. Enter the next-gen Hybrid Max system, a setup that combines electric motors and the turbocharged engine for up to 320 combined horsepower and significantly improved fuel economy. Expected to push well over 40 mpg combined. For those seeking adventure, the TRD off-road and adventure trims will offer enhanced all-wheel drive with dynamic torque vectoring, terrain management modes, and optional adaptive suspension for maximum grip and confidence. And yes, Toyota confirmed. A plug-in hybrid Prime model will return, boasting even more electric-only range, rumored to be close to 50 miles on a full charge.